Is that instruction? I barely go out working on this fucking movie, right? And you gotta think it's in my birthday. So I waited all my life for this printer. It's printing out now. This is my first print. So let's see. I probably should have did. I don't know. Oh, yeah, there you go. Y'all see it's coming. I just wasted. Yeah, so this is sublimation paper already, so that's why it looks a little dark. So I'm about to do, I'm about to press this with my heat press cup, but this is a tumbler, so let's try it out. Okay, now, I know I'm supposed to wrap this. I'm gonna be sublimating on this. Hopefully it's this. So I'm gonna put it into my Cricut, and then press it. Well, it looks like it's gonna cut off the top, but let's see. Yeah, it's not like tight enough in there, but I just wanted to see something. The cup that I was trying to do, I told you I was going to be a lot of ghosting. First off, it didn't even fit the mug press because it's not for tumblers, but it would have came out cute if it was. I don't know, but whatever. We'll try again this weekend.